Dodge's CEO said in an interview last week that he thought there was a market for an entry-level sub-30K-ish sports car. He also said there was a market for a high-end sports car by Dodge.
Right.
Which
we all could understand what that would be.
Yeah, but
V10.
cheap Dodge sports car.
Yeah, I was surprised to see this. It wasn't like a publicly announced thing.
No.
It was in an interview, and he was like, "Oh, I can see a market for it." I can't. I think that Stellantis, though, is in a situation where they're kind of out from under old leadership, and new leadership is trying to either win back old people or make a wave, make a splash.
You know how a kid home alone for the first time just eats ice cream? the boring accountant parents are gone. And